So it's signs, everywhere signs. That's what I'm making today on the farm. So my idea is I'm going to use what I call field rock, which is basically sandstone, and make me a farm sign. Well, we're going to see if we can make us a sign for the entrance to the farm. So I have made me a template. Obviously, it's got to be a 4J that I'm going to put on my sign. I've outlined my template with my little dremel tool. It ate through those cutting blades pretty bad. Now we're going to keep on working on it. Well, we got the little insignia started. Let's see if we can finish this up and figure out a way to move this big rock. Put it where I want it. Here is the sign. That looks good. So here's the final product. And this is right on our entryway into our farm. The only thing I might change is using a smaller rock, but thank you for watching and leave a comment.